गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आई होप दैट आपका सैटरडे अच्छा जा रहा हो। आज मैं पहली बार गाड़ी में वीडियो शूट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। चिंता ना करें, मैंने उसको एक जगह सिक्योरली रख दिया। मेरे पास मोबाइल होल्डर नहीं है, लेकिन ये छोटी सी जानकारी देनी थी कि लेकिन जानकारी अंग्रेज़ी के बारे में है, अंग्रेज़ी वेबिनार के बारे में, तो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं। गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ अबाउट द इंग्लिश वेबिनार दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू ऑन September 19th 2020. Now I wanted to give you a glimpse of what we are going to do in the webinar, which is basically that I like to divide trades into three parts. The first part is the trend, which I like to see on a weekly basis. Secondly, assume that the trend is down. Okay, so what I want is that I want a sharp rally on the intraday time frame, and then I want to play it on the other side. Similarly, if the trend is up, I want a sharp intraday decline, and we have levels in terms of pivots which give you turning points. Now, what is the third issue? The third issue is price rejection and price acceptance. So these three pillars of trading are being spoken about in the webinar. So what it does is, it is positioning you when you have a contrary movement to the prevailing trend. B, it is telling you which price rejection you should play, and where the price rejection is not enough for you to be taking a position in the direction of the trend. Now these are all subjective matters. Otherwise, what you would do is that you simply have the pivot levels and everything is available beforehand. But at the point of trade, if you don't get a serious price rejection, the odds of the trade working out are lower. So that is where, and plus your stops become closer, because you are trying to trade a movement which is contrary to the direction of the prevailing trend. So if I am trying to sell a rally in a downtrend, or if I am trying to buy a decline in an uptrend, my risk management becomes better. So these are the kind of finer points that you have to discuss, because no market goes straight up or straight down. To be telling you that we are going to 11,000, or to be telling you we are going to 12,000, it can be many months before that happens. And then, it is very convenient to say, I told you so. So instead of trying to get into that predictive zone of the market, to be able to use the zig and the zang of market, I think you need a proper system which is designed in a manner in which the market moves. Most systems are like markets are going straight down or they are going straight up. That is not how life works. So meet me in the September 19th webinar and we will discuss these issues in great amounts of detail. The seats are going fast, and if you still haven't registered, WhatsApp on 098-710-66337 or email at ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. Let me repeat, WhatsApp at 098-710-66337 or email at ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. So that will be it, and I hope you all register and benefit from the webinar. See you, take care, and have a good weekend. And the shaky mobile would have told you the conditions of the Delhi roads.